If you're a banana lover, read these 6 shocking facts. Bananas are for sure the healthiest foods on the planet, by having an abundance associated with minerals and vitamins. These delightful fruits have the unique, delicious flavor plus a mild, specific scent. This superfood offers lots of amazing health benefits and assists in the treatment associated with a variety of medical conditions and issues. Consequently, if you incorporate bananas into your regular diet, you will enjoy its multiple health advantages. Bananas effectively treat these: diabetes, depression, kidney cancer, osteoporosis, blindness, morning sickness. Also, this fruit boosts the performance of our brain and thus makes us smarter. Yet, this is only a part of its amazing effects. Here are the 10 most important benefits of the regular consumption of this fruit. Bananas fight anemia. Due to the high potassium content, bananas strengthen the blood and thus prevent and treat anemia. Bananas fight inflammation. These fruits are also rich in vitamin B6, which fights inflammation of the joints. Moreover, it stimulates the production of white blood cells, fights type 2 diabetes, and supports the proper function of the nervous system. Bananas prevent calcium loss. Bananas prevent the loss of calcium in your body and assist its absorption, also building up the bones and teeth. Bananas increase the energy ranges. The consumption of bananas provide energy for the body. Consequently, make sure you eat 2 bananas before a strenuous workout or some difficult physical exercise. They prevent kidney malignancy. Since they support the particular absorption of calcium, bananas avoid the formation of kidney stones and kidney malignancy. Moreover, these fruits safeguard the eyes from macular degeneration. They will help digestion. Bananas are usually high in dietary fiber, which fights indigestion and solves all digestion issues. They regulate the intestinal movements and treat constipation. Bananas also regulate the blood sugar levels. Bananas are especially beneficial in the situation of diabetes, as they regulate blood sugar levels. Furthermore, these amazing fresh fruits soothe PMS symptoms plus enhance your mood. Bananas make you smarter. Since we mentioned earlier, considering that bananas are a rich supply of potassium, they enhance the function of the particular brain and have the beneficial effect on the particular cognitive and reasoning skills. Bananas prevent heart attack and stroke. The intake of bananas lowers the dangers of having a stroke and a heart attack, due to its high sodium plus potassium content. Bananas deal with depression. Since these remarkably healthy fruits are abundant in tryptophan, which right after the consumption is turned into serotonin, a potent neurotransmitter that regulates mood, bananas effectively treat depression. We gave you 10 outstanding reasons you consume bananas on a regular schedule. Therefore, include bananas into your daily routine and enjoy the amazing benefits for your health. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.
Yeah.